Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and in this video we are going to learn about how to find the square root of a complex number. Okay, let's start the lesson. See, we are trying to find the square root. You know various methods to find the square root of real numbers, okay, or maybe it can be decimal, rational or irrational number, anything. Okay, now we are going to talk about square root of a complex number. Square root of complex number. For example, suppose we have a plus ib. Okay, it has a complete process, so I am trying to explain this thing with the help of one question. Question can be, find the square root of, say for example, they can say 1 plus 2i. Okay, any number you can take, but just to begin with I am taking 1 plus 2i. Now you see, since we are trying to find the square root of a complex number, so no doubt its square root also will be a complex number. Okay, so I am assuming it as, let square root of 1 plus 2i is equal to x plus iy, where x and y are real numbers. Okay, now we have to solve this equation and we have to get the values of x and y. Okay, now how you can solve this equation? Squaring both the sides, what you will get? You will get x plus iy whole square is equal to 1 plus 2i. Now, my dear students, here you will take care of one very important thing, and normally we find the mistake in this answer sheet for the various students when they do the square of both the sides. In right hand side, in place of making it whole square, they write it x square plus I square y square. Okay, and if I ask them the identity, what is the identity of a plus b whole square, then they tell me correctly, but while applying this identity they do a mistake. So please take care of this thing. It is x plus iy whole square, not x square plus I square y square. Okay, now apply the identity here. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I square y square is equal to 1 plus 2i. Now it is equal to, see, what is the value of I square? I square is minus 1. So there will be two terms without I. So x square minus y square I am writing together, and plus 2i xy is equal to 1 plus 2i. Now if you will compare real and imaginary parts from both the sides, then what you will get? X square minus y square is equal to 1 and 2xy is equal to 2. Okay, means xy is equal to 1. Okay, xy is equal to 1. So one equation is this one, x square minus y square is equal to 1, and another equation is xy is equal to 1. So we have to solve these two equations to get the values of x and y. So what we can do here, you see, xy is equal to 1. So y will be equal to 1 upon x, or you can do by any method, whatever you want, you can do. Just my purpose is to find the value of x and y. Okay, so this will be x square minus, I am putting this value of y in first equation, this one. So it is x square minus 1 upon x square is equal to 1. By cross multiply and shifting, the quadratic, biquadratic equation will become x to the power 4 minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, see, I am doing it little in short way so that I can complete this question on this screen only. Okay, see, now this is a quadratic equation in x square. So how you are going to solve it? We'll apply the quadratic formula. Okay, so quadratic formula will become, I will try to write here. Now quadratic formula will be x square is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, means 4 times 1 times minus 1 divided by 2a, means 2 into 1. X square is equal to minus of minus plus, so plus 1 plus minus under root, minus square will be plus 1 and plus 4 divided by 2, means x square will be equal to 1 plus minus under root 5 by 2. So it means 1 plus under root 5 by 2. You will not consider here minus sign. Why? You can see here I have written here plus minus, yes, but after I have written plus only, you cannot take it minus. Please pause the video here and write your answer in the comment that why you cannot take minus sign here. Its a simple answer is because I have written here x and y are real numbers. So real number means their square cannot be negative. So if you will take here minus root 5, then 1 minus root 5 will be negative because root 5 is greater than 1. Okay. So it will be negative. So you cannot take it. So x square will be equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2. It means x is equal to plus minus under root 1 plus root 5 by 2. This is the value of x. So what will be the value of y? Y will be equal to plus minus under root, it will be reverse because value of y is what? It is 1 over x. So it will be reciprocated. So 2 over root, not root, 1 plus root 5. Okay. Like this you can write, or if you want you can rationalize also. I think that will be better for you if you will rationalize. Okay. Let's see how can we rationalize so that I can write the complete answer for you. So y will be equal to plus minus square root of, I am multiplying numerator and denominator by root 5 minus 1. So in denominator you will get a square minus b square. So 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 means 4 and 2 will cancel this 4, it will become 2. So you are getting plus minus under root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So we are getting values of x and y. So what does it mean? It means you can write the answer now, that is square root of 1 plus 2i, which was the original question. It is equal to xy, x plus iy. So value of x and y both are in plus minus. So just take it common and write in the bracket. Value of x is what? It is square root of 1 plus root 5 by 2 and plus I times square root of root 5 minus 1 by 2. My dear students, I know there is some space crunch, so you will understand this thing. Okay. So I tried to explain this question, and okay, we'll take one more question. Okay, so that you can practice more. But I'm sure you understood this procedure. Yes. Now suppose you have one more question. They can say find square root of 3 minus 2i. Okay. So again, you will consider it as x plus iy. So what does it mean? It means 3 minus 2i will be equal to x square minus y square plus 2xy times I. I'm writing this thing from the last question. Okay. So just apply the identity of a plus b whole square and you will get this thing. By comparing real and imaginary parts, what you will get? X square minus y square is equal to 3 and 2xy is equal to minus 2. Now x square, this is 2 and 2 cancelled out, here you will get minus 1. So xy is equal to minus 1. It means y is equal to minus 1 upon x. Okay. So what you will get here? X square minus 1 upon x square is equal to 3. It means x to the power 4 minus 3x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is a biquadratic equation, or you can say quadratic equation in x square. So it will be x square is equal to minus b. Minus b means plus 3 plus minus square root of b square minus 4 ac. I am sure you know this identity of x square minus b plus minus under root b square, like this. Okay, from the quadratic equation over 2a, and it will be equal to x square is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 4 will be positive. So 9 plus 4, 13 over 2. Now due to same reason, because x is a real number, so its square cannot be negative. So you will not take here minus sign because the square root of 13 is greater than 3. Okay. So you will take only the positive number here. So 3 plus root 13 over 2. So what will be x? X will be equal to plus minus square root of 3 plus root 13 over 2. So what will be the value of y? Value of y you will find by the same way, but here is you will see a trick also. Okay, y is equal to, see, y is minus 1 over x. Okay, now earlier x was plus minus, so y will become minus plus, because when x is positive then y will be negative, and when x is negative then y will become positive. So here it was plus minus, so value of y will become minus plus, and it's reciprocal because it is 1 over x, so it is, why it is not writing properly, square root of 2 over 3 plus root 13. Now we will rationalize it, so it will be minus plus square root of 2 times, I am multiplying numerator and denominator by square root of 13 minus 3 over, it will become a square minus b square. Now 13 minus 9 is 4, and 2 will divide 4 and it will become 2. So it is minus plus under root square root of 13 minus 3 divided by 2. So value of y and value of x we got. So therefore square root of 3 minus 2i will be equal to, now here it is plus minus and here it is minus plus, yes. So plus minus I am taking out. So value of x I am writing, okay, I will write here so that I may write it only in one line. Here it is equal to plus minus value of x is square root of root 13 plus 3 divided by 2. Here you will write minus because outside I have taken plus minus. So here you will write minus, and it will be I times root 13 minus 3 over 2. Like this you can solve the question. No doubt question will be little big, little lengthy for you. But if you understand the procedure and if you will take care small calculations, then it will be very helpful for you, and I am sure you will solve the questions. Okay, and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.